So we just wanted to officially state that the Vice President through Council has filed her answer just a few minutes ago before the Senate, sitting as an impeachment court. Basically, this is without prejudice, of course, to the pending Supreme Court petition that we filed. And malamang ang tanong nyo is, ano yung laman ng answer? So, I can only talk about it in broad strokes. We don't want to discuss the details, no? But the answer sets forth basically the defenses of the Vice President, as well as, of course, yung mga nakikita nating constitutional infirmities, procedural defects, and what we feel na substantively deficient yung mga allegations laban sa ating Vice Presidente. Sa ngayon po, humingi rin ako ng paumanhin sa inyo, sa mga networks, lalo na hindi po muna kami magpapaunlak ng mga interviews until such time as pre-trial or trial begins. No? Kasi we also want to respect the Senate, and according to the rules, the impeachment rules of the Senate, in fact, under paragraph 18, pinagbabawalan po ang mga parties na to discuss yung merits ng kaso publicly. So kami naman po, susunod lang po kami at magpapaunlak naman po kami lalo na sa trial. In fact, si Attorney Binluan and si Attorney Narvasa will be helping me with spokesperson duties para po lahat mapagbigyan. At from day to day, magpapaunlak naman kami ng interview para po maintindihan ng ating mga kababayan kung ano yung mga nagaganap sa bawat araw-araw ng trial. But sa ngayon po, talagang, I guess, pasensya na po talaga, hindi muna kami magpapa-interview, no? Whether it be print or sa networks.
Pero ano po yung prayer ng kampo ni Vicky Sara sa Senate impeachment?
Well, of course, first and foremost, ang gusto natin ay sana ma-dismiss, no? Itong articles of impeachment laban sa kanya. But kung ano man ang mangyari, handa naman kaming depensahan ng ating Vice Presidente. So with that, I think I just want to make this as informal as possible. Hindi naman to formal press con. So siguro po kung meron kayong mga tanong, pwede niyo po na kaming tanungin at susubukan namin sagot-sagutin.
Sana po si Vice President Sara.
Okay naman po siya, business as usual lang po parati ang ating Vice Presidente. Tuloy-tuloy lang po yung trabaho niya. Kaya nga niya binuo itong legal team ng maaga para masigurado siya dahil alam naman natin, na-anticipate na natin itong impeachment laban sa kanya. In fact, meron ng first round last year. So talagang binuo na niya itong defense team. Nang sa ganun, no, kahit may impeachment, ay hindi po na-hamper, no, o hindi natitigil yung trabaho ng ating Vice President.
Attorney, pag-aari po ng sagot dito sa Senate impeachment or ano yung role ng Vice President? Tinutukan po ba niya bawat sagot dito na kasama kayo sa discussion?
Definitely po, definitely. Ang isang answer naman, kami naman po ay mga abogado lamang. No? So kung ano man ang isusulat namin doon, dapat talaga ay nanggagaling sa Vice Presidente, lalong-lalo na, diba, na pinasa talaga niya yung aming answer. At siya nagpapatunay na lahat ng nakasulat doon ay nakasaad ng mga depensa para sa kanya. Ngayon po, siguro take ko na rin yung opportunity to thank, of course, the Senate. Napaka-smooth po ng pagpasok namin dito. Wala pong kaguluhan. We'd like to thank the media also for cooperating. So I just wanted to take the opportunity on behalf of the defense team and of course on behalf of the Vice President to also thank the Senate po. No? Kasi naging napaka-orderly itong pagpapile namin ng aming answer.
So, hindi po ba po kayo ng answer ay hindi nagpapasakot po kayo ang fact na Vice President dinatanggap po
Well, that is without prejudice, of course, doon sa ating Supreme Court petition. Hindi naman po kasi incompatible yan. No? Maaari namang, sa ngayon, alam naman natin, hindi naman naglabas ng TRO, for example, ng Supreme Court, talaga namang maaaring magpatuloy itong proceedings. At kami naman po ay magpa-participate. But again, our participation is without prejudice doon sa mga constitutional infirmities na nakita natin at kaya tayo naghain ng petisyon sa Supreme Court.
Sir, pwede malaman ng summary?
Actually, ang summary po ng answer namin is we really just set forth, yung nasabi ko nga kanina, yung defenses ng Vice President, yung nakita nating mga infirmities kahit dun sa naganap na Committee on Justice Proceedings. No? Isa na dyan, syempre, yung sinasabi natin na wala namang ebidensyang naka-attach sa mga impeachment complaints at yung mga ebidensya umano na inilabas ay inilabas lamang o nakalap lamang doon sa committee proceedings after we have already filed their answer before the Committee on Justice. Ito yung mga bagay na nire-raise namin no, sa aming answer. At maliban doon, in-address din namin no, yung bawat article. Yung mga allegations sa bawat article, in-address din namin yan sa aming sagot. Ako naman po ay magbibigay po on behalf of the defense team ng siguro executive summary sa ating mga kasamaan sa media. Dahil alam namin na gusto niyo pong malaman man lang kahit in broad strokes kung ano yung laman ng answer. It's just that, of course, we don't want to litigate our case through the media. So, and yun nga po, no, meron tayong rules on prohibiting us from discussing the merits publicly. So magbibigay lang po kami ng executive summary sa inyo para may magamit naman po kayo na material at makita nyo naman po kung ano yung basically the gist ng naging sagot.
Binigay yung pinasa no, answer
It's, well, the nomenclature is it's an answer, but obviously our answer is being filed without prejudice doon sa aming Supreme Court petition.
Kasama po ito kami meron kasamang plea para i-dismiss yung
Yes, of course, it's always going to be one of our prayers, no? Dahil nga sa tingin namin, naging infirm yung may mga infirmities yung proceedings bago pa umakyat sa Senado itong articles of impeachment. But having said that, na sabi ko nga, maliban doon, sumagot din kami on the substantive issues.
Dapat hindi sana nasuwalan sa tayo.
Of course, kaya po kami nandito dahil yun nga, parating sinasabi kailan naharap si VP, but I think we have to contextualize yung pagharap. The fact that we filed an answer now, kung hinaharap na ni VP, no, itong mga paratang laban sa
Ano na lang pa-wait mo kasi baka gamitin
well, the documents, dumami lang po yun dahil syempre meron tayong mga annexes, no, mga attachments doon sa ating answer, kaya po marami yun. But the answer itself is around 50 pages, no? Kasama na dyan yung signature pages. So, nasa ganun lang po yung answer natin. But, baka kasi magulat kayo, medyo nakamaleta nga. But that's because marami lang po talaga mga annexes. Copies, we had to give 5 copies as required by the impeachment court.
Itong ibang maleta or documents lahat.
Documents. Although wala na pong laman yan dahil na-file na po namin yung ating answer.
Yung isa yung verify lang parang malinaw, doon po sa answer ng pinatuloy, nandun na yung plea for the dismissal.
Yes, that's one of the prayers, no? Sa answer namin na sinasabi namin meron ngang infirmities yung naging proceedings. That's why we feel that it warrants dismissal. Also, we have raised our objections on the alleged pieces of evidence, no, against the Vice President. By the way that sinasabi nga natin, and we have to reiterate, yung mga pieces of evidence na yan na hindi naman naka-attach sa original complaints, and itong mga pieces of evidence na to ay nakalap lang no, noong ongoing yung proceedings ng Committee on Justice and after we have filed an answer. So, to us, this goes into basic tenets of due process. Kung kinakailangan, sa ngayon, we don't really want to box ourselves in kung kailan, diba? Kasi parating yan yung tanong. But kung kinakailangan naman po, we'll have to see, that will have to be determined, no, to have on the developments of the proceedings.
Ano yung pinag-concern na ebidensya na nakahanap lang sa committee na tas ilabas actually ng
Well, actually, lahat. Lahat ng mga lumabas. I'm sure you were following the hearings, no? So, AMLAC reports, for example, lahat yan, no? Wala naman yan hindi yan naka-attach sa original impeachment complaints.
Pero ulitin, tapusin ko na itong
Well, we raised an opposition in our objections basically on the admissibility of pieces of evidence. No? So, but we'll see. We'll see. Siyempre, ang ultimate prayer talaga namin ma-dismiss ang articles of impeachment. Tayo po kasi ay depensa, so tayo ay maghihintay muna. Of course, we have witnesses in mind, but as to the details, hintayin muna natin kasi ang burden of evidence dito ay nasa prosecution. No? So once they present their evidence, doon natin ma-determine kung ano ba yung kailangan nating i-presenta to rebut whatever they present.
Are you convinced that the President will not be in the verdict based on your
The Vice President. Well, we are confident.
It's more the proceedings that you are questioning.
Well, not just the proceedings, ma'am. We question the proceedings, but we also, as part of our answer, talagang sinagot din natin yung substantive part, no, meaning the allegations themselves, no, the 4 articles of impeachment.
Attorney, what specific relief are you asking for from the impeachment?
As I said, ultimately, syempre, dismissal po, no, ng articles of impeachment. Titingnan natin kung ano yung mangyayari sa proceedings, and we will participate, and definitely we will abide by what is constitutionally permissible in the constitutional processes laid down. Yeah, hintayin lang po natin yung development ng proceedings, no? No, it's not really the summons. It depends kasi kung ano yung takbo ng proceedings. I cannot tell you exactly kung ano yun, but tingnan muna natin paano tumakbo yung proceedings. Nakita ko, I don't know if that's official. May nakita lang ako sa SOCMED yata kanina. I don't know if that's official. But whatever is the official calendar, we will just abide by the calendar.
Pero pwede din pa sa mga senator natin sa Republican
Of course, alam nyo, parati kong sinasabi, parati namin sinasabi sa defense team, we should always give the senator judges the benefit of the doubt. No? Although we have to admit, and we're not naive to the fact that impeachment is both a political and a legal process, we believe in political neutrality of the senator judges. So, kung meron mang partiality, huwag po muna natin kumbaga bigyan ng badge of any partiality ang kahit sinong senador, mapa pro or anti, hindi ba? We have to give the senator judges the benefit of the doubt, and we submit to whatever happens in the impeachment.
Given the pieces of evidence and how the procedural stuff that you're going through, are you confident that this can be a simple or shorter impeachment?
Yes, because as far as we're concerned, we're very confident with our legal position. No? We are very confident that wala namang nagawang impeachable offense ang ating Vice Presidente. But these things will be threshed out. It will depend on the pieces of evidence that will be presented, the witnesses that will be presenting those pieces of evidence. So, hindi natin alam, susunod lang tayo kung ano yung maging schedule. No? But tayo, we are ready to confront all of these allegations. Well, again, I will just have to restate what I said earlier. We have raised what we saw or what we believe in as constitutional infirmities, defects in the procedure, and also the deficiency on the substantive aspect of these allegations. We feel that the allegations do not rise to the level of impeachable offenses against the Vice President. So, and for that, those are the grounds by which we think dismissal is warranted. But, like I said, let's see how things turn out. Basta tayo sa defense team, we are definitely ready to provide the Vice President with the best defense.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Larry. Ano ka nag-open?
Question, guys. Okay na?
Finishing.
Ulitin ko yung feeding ko kaya.
Tama, team 3.
Kalasin mo na, Chok. Tatakin ko rin.
Oh. Tension na tayo, Chok.
Ah.
Wait lang ha.
Paano lang kable?
Vicky boy! Vicky boy!
Busy lang ako.
Ano gagawin mo?
Tapakan mo ko!
Di ko na, dali na.
Vicky boy!
Ayan, okay na.
Okay na. Pwede na tumayo, guys. Okay na? Live pa? Baka.
Uy, nakago.
Ito na ipit, Chok.
Ang laki na ng kinita nyo.